Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to this channel, or my channel. I have a review of a coin, a Japanese coin. It's a 50 yen coin. The 50 yen coin was from 1995. On here you have the 50 yen designation, and then you have the date 50 and then year 9 of Heisei, and that's Heisei. Who was the emperor at the time in 1995. There's a center on the other side. We have a centered hole, and it's flanked by chrysanthemum flowers. I'm not sure that's supposed to... And then underneath it has the characters of the state of Japan, 50 yen. This 50 yen coin has a mintage of 111,674,000. I have not seen one of these coins before. That doesn't mean they don't exist, because they obviously do. But it's an unusual coin, and that's why I've singled it out as a standalone video. What do you think of this coin? I actually do like the design of this coin, the chrysanthemums and the characters, and the fact that I was able to find out so much information about it. It is a coin I'm very happy to have in my collection, as you can imagine. I'll just put the coin into its bag again. I have, as I say, I bought this as a single coin to show us in a review. If you've liked this video, can you please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, if you've enjoyed the content, could you please seriously think about doing so? I am trying to grow my subscriber level again for this year to 250 by Christmas, New Year time. I'm currently standing at around about 174 or something like that, and I would very much, as I say, like to get to that 250 by the new year, and for that I need your help. So if you do enjoy the videos and haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? Right, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4, but recently I've been doing 5 videos a week. And hopefully you'll find something in there that you enjoy. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.